Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do another unboxing. I really got positive review on the last one that I did of my Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. So if you'd like to watch that one, I'll link that one right up above. But today I want to do another unboxing of a luxury item that I just got my hands on. I think I'm becoming really lucky on getting items. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Also, if you're new here, my name is Alexia Leanne. On this channel, I do beauty, makeup tutorials, lifestyle. Now I'm just kind of throwing in just some luxury items that I have gotten. And let's go ahead and get started. So, as you probably know, again, you already know what it is since it's already in my title. But again, I have another product from Louis Vuitton. Again, this is the packaging that it's come with. Everything from the receipt, things that Louis Vuitton they send in the mail with it. The receipt, and also tracking. I love to keep my little envelopes and everything that comes with it. But today, this is what we have. So let's go ahead and open it. Again, Louis Vuitton, they always come with the dust bags, which what I really like, to keep it clean and at all times when you're not using it. So guys, this is what I've gotten. Now this is the key pouch. It's in monogram. It comes with a little keychain so you can put your key fob on there as well. With Louis Vuitton, they always come with little packaging. But this is how this looks. It's stitched very well. Oh, missed the card. But it's stitched very well in the inside. Look at the craftsmanship in that one. The gold. Everything's so beautiful. Now, the purpose of me for getting this one was for something for every day. I love how compact and simple it is, but it looks so classy. I can put my ID in there, a couple credit cards, some cash, anything I really want to in here, and it'll go in there. This is another, for some reason, hard to get item, and I end up calling again and put me on hold. They end up having it, so they went ahead and shipped it to me. Y'all, I just really like this. With my profession that of what I'm working in, it just slides right into my pocket, so I can keep up with it at all times. Really, nothing too bulky or anything for me. But overall, this is a really pretty wallet. I love how this little clasp right here. And hold on, let me see. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay guys, so I was having a little technical difficulties on really how to open this, since it really is an unboxing video and I really haven't had time just to really play with it. But basically, you will hold down like right here, and then it's like a little spring, and you just open it up. And there you go. So you can slide your keys on there. So basically, once your keys come on there, your keys ain't coming off of this. So I like that, and you just clamp it back. Just pull it down, and then it locks back into place. So y'all, again, this is the key pouch. I think I'm really going to get some really good uses out of this. Again, I was going to carry this every day. It's flat, very thin. I love the gold accents on this. So like I said, it retails for $215, so really not bad of a price for it. It's just, if you see it, you better go ahead and get it, because it sells out almost instantly once they put that on there. So alright guys, so that pretty much sums up today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content that I have given you on my Louis Vuitton key pouch in monogram. If you're thinking about getting one or anything, comment below. Let me know what you're going to use yours for. People, use their things for different things, if it's like for an occasion or like work related or whatever, but I'd like to know what you're using yours for. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.